N40 Pro. Hello lovely people, it is your man Fifi, and today another DOOGEE smart mobile phone has emerged, and it's the DOOGEE N40 Pro. It has got a 6GB of ROM plus a 128GB of RAM. It is packed with a massive, when I say massive, I mean a whopping 6,380 ampere of battery capacity. Without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing.
Alright, let's see what we have right here. Okay, so that's the phone. So we come back to this later. Let's put it here. Alright, so we have right here the eject tray. So this is basically what we use to eject the tray, right? Okay, let's put it here. This is a warranty card, user manual, charger.
We have come to the end of the unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Catch up with you later. Peace out.